And we're all excited, right? Lucky Christ.
I'm wearing like about a 20-year-old shirt, so I just dressed me for the occasion.
I'm just glad I'm slim enough that I look almost like a 10-year-old.
Can't believe we're all here doing it again.
I know, man. Somebody just started, didn't
It was me, sorry.
Oh, you filthy fucker.
Jeff,
Oh, this is the
cameras are rolling now.
Yeah? The excitement.
Are you
Oh.
ready?
Yeah.
Got my two
Enjoy
t-shirts.
ice was
Matt,
really
you
bad.
should
Right.
have waited until he sees me.
Around the dry ass.
Once he sees our heads, he's going to say, ladies and
So
gentlemen,
you've noticed we have dry ass and now it's dry ass.
Oh, Mark.
Griff, dead silence on stage. Matt's going out to the microphone there.
Should we not get out there and be ready to go when he
When
next
Matt,
gets
listen, Matt's going to go first. When Matt sees us two ready, he's going to say, ladies and gentlemen, will you please welcome back? Run away. We go.
And then 1, 2, 3.
4, bam.
Maybe he should do it from Steve's mic so we can get off stage quick.
There's too many people now.
No, from Steve, from his mic.
That's what the rock, yeah, that's what I was aiming for. Is that what you're going to do from? Yeah.
Right, as soon as Matt's off stage.
Who nicked me beer? Oh, no.
Matt, confirm with your brother that you're okay to go.
Are we ready
Yeah,
then?
we'll be. Are we ready?
Let's go.
Do we have it?
Let's have it.
Go. Under break your leg.
Good luck, everybody.
Kick off.
I haven't got my skirt caught in the back of my...
No, you haven't got it caught in the back of mine. No, it's all right. Pull the curtain together.